welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra Latrice, and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this cute, sassy cute little bob right here, and if you are interested in seeing just how easy and quick it was to put it on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. All right. Welcome back. So we're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Do y'all see the amazingness? Like, look at this. Ain't it just gorgeous? That color is just simply amazing. So let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and put on. This shouldn't take us too long to put this on. Let's do so. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been okay. All right. So this is her right out of the box, as y'all can see. Just did lace on it. It's looking good, but I know it can look better. But this is how it looks. So what we're gonna do, we're going to brush it out. Think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. So what I'm gonna do first we're gonna get into this lace. I'm gonna put this hair back after we wet sticky, because it's a lot of flyaways. Okay, and get my hot comb. We're just going to y'all see that lace and that hairline? That lace and hairline looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. You can barely see the lace on me, but it looks so good. So we're gonna cut the lace, gonna put the hair back for a moment, and we're gonna get into the lace. Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend a... So this is how it looks. I have cut the lace. Got a little bit showing on this side. Let's see, can I get that right there? I know I want you long time. So this is how it looks, y'all. The lace looks so good. Looks really good. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. It looks so good. You see that? Simply amazing. That looks really good. All right, so next I need to do a little curls to it, because it's been traveling in the box. So we need to get these curls looking better, because it's looking like, where you going? Who are you talking to over here? Let's go and curl it up. So we're just going to curl the front of it. We're not going to do too much. This unit doesn't really need a lot done to it. We're just going to curl these little pieces in the front, and then see what we need to do to the back, which probably just need to just bump it a little bit. But that is it. This unit is simple to put on. It's not ready right out of the box, but it is a cute unit. Just gotta bump her a little bit, and then you good to go. All right, let's go and curl it. Paid by the sentence, taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap it. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow. Alright, so this is the cute little unit right here. Great unit to have for this fall season. It's lightweight, it's flowy, and all you need to do is just take it out of the box and cut the lace and bump it, and you are good to go. The highlights up and through here is gorgeous. It frames the face really good, so I'm really liking that, and it's lightweight. I'm not getting any shedding at all, no tangles as well. It looks really nice. So let me show you the side. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? So this unit is super duper cute. and she is ready for the fall season. I absolutely love how soft that it is. The color is amazing, and she is cute, cute, cute. All right, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over some Love Me Hair beauty blenders. They also sent over some rollers, wig caps, a Love Me Hair wrap scarf. They also sent over a Love Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo and a Love Me Hair mesh drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is a limited design bun highlight glueless 5x5 closure HD lace stacked bob wig, and baby, she is amazing. This is a sophisticated and classy bob that you can wear up or down to wear to any occasion that your heart desires. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. The hairline is pre-blood and the knots is pre-bleached as well. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little bit more highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that as well. Glueless, baby, 100% glueless. You can absolutely wear this unit with confidence. The lace area is a 5x5 closure, so you do have the option to part it in the middle and on either side and do a C part as well. The lace is HD lace. Like, baby, you cannot see this lace, honey. It looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. I am wearing the length 10 inches, but you do have the option to get it in the length of 12 inches as well. You also can get the lace pre-cut at an additional cost. With this limited design, you can also get the cap size in 3 different sizes. When you get the 10-inch length, you can get a small, which is 21.5 inches, a medium, which is 22.5 inches, and a large, which is 23.5 inches. This unit also comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. You also get 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. So if you are looking for a top tier wig to have in your wig rotation that you can wear to work, church, or outing, or just lounging around the house, look no further. This is the unit for you, because switching it up is everything with Love Me Hair. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.
Talking me plus you, I got things to do. Talking me plus you, I got things to do. Talking me plus you.